Okay, so at this station, you will be measuring capacity. So capacity means how much something can hold. So something could have a large capacity and hold a lot. If it had a small capacity, it wouldn't be able to hold very much. So for example, I've got my coffee cup here. So if I look at how much it can hold, how much coffee it holds, that's measuring how much capacity it has. Compared to, let's say, this Darth Vader mug, compare these two to try to guess how much has the most capacity. So I look at them, this one feels a little bit bigger, so it probably holds more, it's got more capacity. Whereas this little cup kind of seems smaller than my Darth Vader cup, and it seems smaller than this Marvel cup. So I think that if I were to rank these in the correct order of their capacity, this one would have the greatest, this one has the second greatest, and then this one has the least greatest capacity. You'll be doing a similar thing. You're going to be ranking the objects that are in your bin based on their capacity. So I've given you 3 different containers. Take a look at them. They are lettered. You have A, B, and C. I want you to hypothesize which one has the greatest capacity, the next greatest, and the least capacity. Put them in that order, 1 being the greatest on your page. So you've got 1, 2, 3. 1 should be the highest or greatest capacity. Go now, press pause on your video, take a second to write that down, and then play it again once you're done. Okay, welcome back. It's time to test our hypothesis. So you've now recorded what you think, which one's going to be biggest, which one's going to be the second biggest, and which one will be the smallest. To test that, we're going to fill them each. So I've given you a container of marbles. You're going to fill each container right to the brim, so it's just kind of even at the top, full of marbles. Once you've you'll then take out those marbles and count them. And once you've counted them, you'll have an idea of how big it is and how much it can hold. So whichever container holds the most marbles had the greatest capacity, and whichever one holds the least amount of marbles had the smallest capacity. And this will give you an idea if your hypothesis was correct or not. All right, give that a try, and then write down your observations in the observation section to compare it with your hypothesis.